So this is Baruch Fleischman with our 5-minute Zohar. This is Parshas Matos. Parshas Matos deals with to begin with the revenge of the Jewish people on Midian because of their prostituting their daughters and leading tremendous amount to sin. Our God is a God that really hates immoral sexual behavior. So here we have a situation where we're looking at this. Now to get this into the 5 minutes, I'm going to do it the Matot Medevash along with the Zohar. The Zohar says like this. So all of the women, all the children amongst the women who have not known a child, not known another man, they you can keep alive. Talmud Tanina, so over there we learn like this. Sham Namadach Ba'amach of Rabbi Yehuda, Eina Olim Misnagig Helda Betray Gavanim. The world only works through two colors. Columba Bebezan Hogos, there are two different ways the world balances. Shehem Lavan Ve'edem, which are white and red. The height of Midas Chesed, which is white, Umidas Din, which is Chesed, which is red. The Asach of the Sitra, the Isach of Boy Mitzada Isha that come from the side of the femininity. The Haina Mitzada Malchus, the Kalula B'chug, that's the sign of Malchus, which has within it Chasadim and Gevuros, or Chesed and Gevura. Now all of this develops as we had from the shir yesterday. Shan Hagas Olam Ki Al Yada, because through this femininity, that is through Malchus, that's how the world works. So there is a possibility. Let me see if I get the shkachas. The Hakimas Libo. Shedimsas Chachmas Lev. That is, this woman, this femininity, finds within it a heart, which is a heart of Chachma. The Han gets Olam B'din of Rachamim, to run the world on a balance scale, running between Din and Rachamim. This is what it means. Shezehu, a pasuk, this pasuk here. He said, "V'kol isha chachmas leiv," any woman with this wisdom. He means the wisdom of Hashem, that Hashem is revealed in that person's heart. B'yadechu tavu, with her hands, you could do the spinning, the weaving of the wool. Chachmas leiv, what's this chachmas leiv? The malchus, that refers to malchus, the bottom sphere, the ultimate goal. Hanikras Chachmat, which is called the lower Chachma, because all of what is up above eventually flows into Malchus. That's the argument, my Masian, what did they actually bring? So what we're trying to get at when they were brought. In order to be able to fix to build the chelis properly. Let me see if I as the chelis shehiba bechinas of malchus a nekanes a yedira bechesed, which is really acquired through the meat of chesed. That's the argument, which is purple. But Tiferes, which is found at Tiferes, because Tiferes, as we saw from the drawing yesterday, Tiferes is the middle line. The middle line is their anpen hamachriya bein chug, that really balances between chesed and gevura. Who midas arachim. This is the reason why the middle line is so important in Kabbalah. Gavana declared bego gavanim. They have all heim gavanim akalula b'sach shar gavanim. They have colors that are mixed in. All of the colors are mixed in. Kichat the chelis kalula im hashacha, because the chelis has a certain amount of blackness in it. Sheshnechem morim al dinim v'gevuros, that the two of them together really show you that blackness within it shows you that there's dinim there, gevuros. The argument that the purple, kolo belovan sheshnechem, also has white in it. Sheshnechem memorach al rachim v'chesadim, that the two of them together refer to mercy, kindness. This is the meaning of this Parshat. Darshat semech pishtin, they sought out wool and linen, and make it with the wandering works of the desires of your hand. Ha'isha ha'chayil, this woman that we're talking about, and we're talking about Malchus, is a Sphira in Olam Atzilus. Shehi ha'Malchus darsha, what she seeks to do, The Chaver has Semer Loven is to take the 7, which is Semer, which is wool, which is white. Hamora al Chesed Barachmim, which really teaches to the right line, as we saw yesterday in that drawing. In Pishtan Hamora al Gavura V'Hadin, together with Pishtan, which is tough, difficult, which teaches about Gavura and punishment and din. V'Ratzalma Shehid Doreshes Lahamtik Hadin Barachmim. To see like this, what does she seek? She speaks to sweeten din with Rachamim. Kamosha Kasa B'Sefer Koheles Yaakov Be'erech Pishtim. So he says Yaakov Be'erech Pishtim. B'Zal Deshana. This is a Pishtim hu B'chinas Gevura, but Semer hu Chosadim. Rebbe Zohar in Parshat Tazria. So we'll go over that another place. B'Ksiv Yadecho Tavo V'Shoel. So this with her hands, that will be where the spinning, the weaving will take. And they ask, my Tavo, what is she weaving together? What is she spinning together? My Pirshach Levichasod. So what does the Sod understand about this? I'm a Rebbe Yehuda. So Rebbe Yehuda says, Tavo Badina Barachmim. She spins together these two things. This is what Malchus does. Let me see if I can get that drawing up here real quick. I should really have it copied and, just have it around. Here, this drawing again. And the ultimate, all of the drawings, no matter what we're talking about, which particular parts of, we're talking about Zeranpin here, we're talking about Yaakov, Rachel, all these things we should know from other places in the Ari. But the ultimate flow of all of this light from the top to the bottom on 3 lines going through a balanced scale in the middle leads to Malchus. And that's what he wants to say here. He wants to say, Amar Rebbe Yehuda, Tavo Bedina Barachmim. She weaves together these two aspects. Let me see if I can get this up there again. Tavo Bedina Barachme. Shal Malchus Bechaberis is the den. This is what Malchus does. In the end, all things are filtered into Malchus, and all the Shefa that comes into this world comes from Malchus. Barachmim kedei lachamtik zeh lachamtiku zeh b'zeh. Just a little word, not only from Malchus, but ultimately our relationship to the other world begins there. This is Baruch Fleischman, Tikkun Elevator. Call all around a little bit over. I'm really trying to keep it short. Kol Tov.